We brought Cavan Group in to help us move our data center, essentially guide us in moving our data center, since we don't typically do that very often. They were part of a bidding process, so we went through a whole sort of sequence of evaluations of various companies, of which Cavan Group stood out. They stood out in their experience, they stood out in their approach, they stood out in their cost. So at the end of the day, we selected them primarily for those three reasons, and then we also did some reference checks who spoke very highly of the Cavan Group. So in the end, we chose them to help us and guide us in moving our data center. One of the things that I look for when I bring a vendor in is the delivery part of it. The selection is all good. The sales process tends to be done very well, but can they deliver on what they were selling us? Can they deliver on their approach and their promises? And they did that. One of the things I really liked about the Cavan Group is it was a cooperative effort. So they came with a plan, they reported weekly on how they were doing, they worked very well with the staff, and actually I think the staff speaks very highly of them. And the fact that they delivered on their promises without a glitch was a major deal when you move a data center. The downtime was shorter than what was ever predicted. So from that perspective, my peers, the CEO, the COO, none of them knew we were actually moving the data center, and at the end of the day, that is success.